Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Sharp R860 Combination microwave, and what I want to do today is to show you around the microwave and some of the features and benefits that it offers. So I'll get it plugged in and let's have a look. So as I just mentioned, this is a combination microwave, and that means that you've got the option for microwave, oven and grill, or as it says in a combination microwave, you can actually combine the different ways of cooking, but I'll cover that more in a moment. The first thing I wanted to cover was the dimensions of the microwave, because there's nothing worse than getting the microwave and then realising it doesn't fit in the space. So the width on this one is 48.5 centimetres. The height is around 29 centimetres, and on this one, and it's the same on pretty much all combination microwaves, that they are fairly deep. So on this one, if you go right to the back, then to go to the front of the microwave itself is 47 centimetres, but including the handle, then you're looking around 50 centimetres. So if you have got a standard, say 60 centimetre worktop, then it'll sit on there fine. You can find if it's going into a corner, which some people do, then just check out just to make sure that it will fit in. The other thing just to mention is that you do need to allow space around the microwave, especially with combination ones, where they've got the oven built in as well. At the back they can give out quite a bit of heat, so I'd always recommend making sure there is space around the microwave. So as you can see on this microwave, as you open the door, it has got a handle on the front. Most other microwaves tend to have a button on the front to open it, but we are tending to find a lot more microwaves are going towards this design where you just got the handle on there. First of all, I think it's a great idea. It's very easy to open. If you do suffer with your hands, so if you have arthritis, then it's a much easier way of opening the door. We are finding, as I say, a lot of microwaves are following this kind of design. This is really taken from the catering or commercial industry, where a lot of those microwaves have that kind of design to open the door. So as we go inside the microwave, you'll find this has a 25 litre capacity. So it's not the biggest on the market, but it's certainly not the smallest. The main thing I would say is just to check to make sure that you can fit any dishes or plates in here. As far as the sizes on this measures around 31.5 centimetres wide, and then the depth on it is, I say around 29 centimetres, because you will find in this microwave that it uses something called flatbed technology, so there's no turntable. This has a huge advantage. And again, a lot more microwaves are going towards this design. The main advantage is it's a lot easier to keep clean. You just got one area at the bottom, so if something does spill, or when it spills, because it's a fairly common thing in our household that we get something that overflows or explodes in the microwave, which the kids seem to find quite funny. So when it comes to cleaning up, then it's a lot easier. You just have to wipe round. You have got a stainless steel interior as well, so it's a lot more long lasting than the cheap acrylic type interiors. But the other advantage is that the size of the dish that you can get in here is a lot bigger. So for example, if you've got, say, something that is in a rectangular dish to pop in here, then you will find in a standard microwave you need to allow the space for it to rotate. But clearly in here, as long as it will fit in, then you don't have to worry about it rotating, because it's just a flat bed. So much easier. I'm a huge fan of the flatbed for various reasons. This technology has always been on the very high-end microwaves, and especially over the last sort of 18 to 24 months it's started to work its way down into the domestic market. And if you have a look at the price on this microwave, it is really good, and it's one of the cheapest ones in the market at the moment with the flatbed concept. So just before I show you through some of the programs, I'll just show you how to set the clock, because this seems to be a popular question in our showroom or through our website about setting the clock on the microwave. So all you need to do is press and hold that button. So this is a button towards the bottom of the microwave, so it's got set clock. So you hold that for 3 seconds, and then you decide whether you want it 24 hours or 12 hours. So for example, if we have it as a 12-hour clock, and then all you need to do is use three buttons here to set the time. So at the moment, I mean, it's quite early in the morning here, So it's at 7:40 a.m. So 7:40, press the button and away you go. So I'll take you through some of the functions. I suppose the most popular one people are going to use is the microwave power. So all you need to do is you just press that button, and what it shows is it shows P100, and what that is that's just showing that if you put something in now, it will cook at 100% of the power. You can reduce that if you want to. So if you wanted it on a reduced power, then that really goes down to like a medium setting, so that's 60% power. And if you press it again, that's 40% power, 20%, so that'll be a low setting. And then once you've selected what power you want, then all you need to do is just put in the time. So you just use the 3 buttons at the top. So if you want something in for say 1.5 minutes, then you just press that, and then you just press the start button. So clearly I need to shut the door first. So the next one will be the grill function, and when you press that, this is going to enable just the grill on its own. So this could be ideal if you want to do things like toast, or if you want to cook something like bacon on there, then just press that, and then all you do is you just select the time that's required and then shut the door and then press start. So that's the grill, so that's nice and easy to do. And then the next option you have is called microwave and grill, and this is a great option. So if you wanted to cook for example a jacket potato in the microwave, so most of the time people would just use the microwave, but you can find that the result, although it does cook it inside, you've still got a soggy skin. So if you enable the microwave and grill option, then as well as cooking the potato in the middle, then you'll get crispy skin as well. So all you do is you press this, and you've actually got 2 options here. So this is just showing you the combination 1 or combination 2. And what this means is that in combination 1 setting, the microwave will cook for 10 seconds while the grill cooks for 23 seconds. So that's a lot more biased to the grill cooking. Whereas when you press it again, combination 2 setting, the microwave cooks for 18 seconds and the grill cooks for 15. So it's almost half and half. The next option is this. This is the convection, and this is where you're using the oven within the microwave. You'll see on the front here that it's showing the degrees, and to change that you just press the button, so it goes from 200 and then it goes down in 10-degree increments. So as you can see, it goes down to 140 and then 130, 120, 110. So 110 is the lowest it will go in that kind of setting. Having an oven built in to a microwave like this has a huge advantage. The first thing is, if you live on your own and if you're not going to do much cooking, then it's a lot more efficient to heat up a very small space. If you're only going to cook, say, a pie or something, then it will, first of all, it could be quicker when it's cooking, because you do have to preheat the oven. So clearly to preheat this is going to be, well, should be quicker than preheating a main oven. And then the next option is this. This is where you've got the microwave and convection. And what you've got is you've got the option to use the oven and microwave together, which can really speed up cooking. So that goes down in 30-degree increments. It doesn't go all the way down like the convection oven option, but you're 200, 170, 140 and then 110. And what that program will do, as I say, it will combine the oven and the microwave together for really quick cooking. So if you're not too sure how long to put things in the microwave for, then what Sharp have done is they've given us these 6 options on here. So you've got jacket potatoes, pizza, rice, oven chips, cake and roast chicken. And what these are designed to do is to help you when you're cooking things in the microwave. So what this will do is, if you select the jacket potato option, first of all you select how many you've got in there. So if you've got 2 potatoes, and what that will do is that will cook it on the full on the microwave. So if you've got 2 potatoes in there for 9 minutes. And the next option is this one. This is the pizza, and all you need to do is you just need to select the weight of the pizza that you've got in there. And what this will do, this will actually cook it properly. So this is using the oven side, so this will cook on the convection for 180 degrees. And if you select the 450 gram setting, then that will cook it for 18 minutes. The next one is rice, and again you just select the weight, so it's either 150 or 300 grams of rice, and this will just cook it in the microwave on its own for either 15 or 25 minutes on that setting. The next one is the oven chips, and this will cook it for around 35 minutes in the oven, so this uses the convection setting at 200 degrees. And the next one is the cake setting, so if you've made a cake, and if you want this, as long as it weighs around 475 grams, then that will cook it for 50 minutes in the oven, that's at 170 degrees. And then the last one is the roast chicken, so that tends to vary, so you've got 4 settings on here, so you've got up to 1400 grams, and then it goes back to 800. But what this will do, this will actually cook in the oven, so it uses the convection setting at 200 degrees. It does need you to rotate it a couple of times. So if you've selected, say, a 1 kilogram chicken, then all you need to do is just pop it in there, select the roast chicken, and that will take around 36 minutes in the oven. So clearly on the microwave there are a lot of other settings as well. You've got things like child lock, you've got defrost functions, timers, so there's a lot more you can do on there. I just wanted to give you an overview of like the everyday use that people will use it for. The other thing that it does come with, so you do get these, you get a baking tray and you get the little rack as well. These are good, so if you're cooking bacon under the grill, then that just raises it up, so it's just a little bit nearer to the grill, and that really speeds up the cooking time. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Sharp R860 Combination microwave. Please give us a thumbs up on a YouTube video, click subscribe and leave any comments below. When you do subscribe, I'd normally ask if you could click the notification button, so when I post a new video about a new product that comes out in a showroom, then you'll see it straight away. Also, if you've got any comments on the video, then just let me know what you think about it, whether it's good or bad. I'm sure there are some things that I've missed, but as I say, I just want to give you a brief overview of what the microwave can do, because for the price, it really does a lot. Also, if you've got any questions on the microwave, or if you're thinking about buying one, but you're not too sure about something, then pop it in the comments below and I'll try and get back to you. Thanks for watching.